Hello everyone, I'm back again with another painting. It's another beautiful day here in New Zealand. Welcome to the channel and I hope you enjoy it. If you do, just give us a like and a subscribe and make a comment if you wish. So I'll get on with it. Anyway, the idea is to get the image done in pen and then follow through with watercolor. That's what I'm doing. So there's a few leaves sticking out. I'll just move this across in the middle so that it's easier to draw. As artists, of course, we've got our own ways of doing the process. And of course mine is no different. You probably notice how different it is from other people. No, it's not as well polished, and you would have already noticed that this is a new channel, or a fairly new channel. So the leaves of the apples are a very unusual shape. Of course, apples taste the best when they're on the tree, when they've just been picked. And after that, of course, by the time they reach the supermarket, the flavour's just about gone. I used to do picking apples years ago, and I was always full of eating apples, and there were different types of apples on the orchard, so there was always a good variety. These are probably Red Delicious. mainly because of the fact that they're red and they're delicious. So that's the drawing itself in place. And I've just got the paints over here in the corner. So I don't want to overdo the red because in this particular red it's very saturated. A saturated colour. I've decided to get some Holbein paints from Jackson's in the UK. They're supposed to be quite good. And at the moment I've got some tubes of Cotman which are okay. Nothing wrong with them. But Holbein are a good make, and so I wanted to buy some half pans for my future projects. So these apples here have gone they might be overripe. They've been on the tree too long. But that's okay. They still taste good. Snowy the dog's having a good sleep today. We've just been outside and mowed the lawn. And been for a walk, so he's quite happy. It's very hot out there, about 24 degrees. So it's nice to get inside and cool down a bit. Had the fan going for a while. So yes, I'm going to get some more green. This green's quite nice for the leaves. When you picture them out in the orchard, everything's very bright in the hot sun. So I'll mix up some dark green just to put a bit of shadow in the place where there'll be shadow. I think the colours of the apples, that one there looks quite good with a bit of tint of yellow. So that's what I'll do with the rest of them. I need to put a shadow underneath at the bottom there. To give them 3D look. And just get those bits there. There we are. So I've got a bit of contamination in my cerulean blue. I have to wash it out. Try and get it as clean as I can. So give the idea of background of the sky. To show that it's a nice sunny day and they're ripening up in the sun. So there we are. There's the painting finished for you. I hope you like it. So please subscribe, like and comment, and I would be very grateful of that. So until next time, take care, cheerio, bye bye.